Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, first of all, let's create new background layer. Right mouse, new and solid layer. Add name background, click OK and go to FX presets, search effect fill. Select fill, use for background solid layer. And go to color cube, let's click here and choose color white. Click OK and lock layer. Then let's go to shape layers, hold this icon and go to create ellipse tool. Let's hold shift and make one ellipse like this. And clisation tool. So this is main circle. Let's write here main blue. Go to window, enable align and click this icon and this icon for move the object to center. And let's enable title action save and select main blue. Let's go to color, choose color blue. Click OK. And let's Ctrl D for duplicate. Let's open inside contents, ellipse 1, ellipse path 1 and change size like this. And go to color, fill, use color yellow. And let's move to behind of main blue layer and change quality full for now. And let's open again inside, change sizes and select these two layers. Let's move it up and go to shape layers, hold this icon, again choose ellipse tool and hold shift, make one ellipse, clisation tool and let's change name yellow center and let's move it up and click align. And finally, let's go to shape layers. Again, let's hold this icon, choose render rectangle tool and create one rectangle like this. Clisation tool and color. Let's go to fill, choose color red. Click OK and change name red. And let's put down. OK, open inside rectangle 1, rectangle path 1 and change redness for smooth object. And click this size icon, change sizes and move it up. In this time select this main yellow. Let's open inside again and change sizes more. Okay, and yellow center, move it down and red, move it down. And right now select these 4 layers and click toggle switch modes. And as you can see here, we have checkbox for 3D layer and for turn off 3D layer, click this checkbox. And in this time, change render engine, right mouse, composition settings and 3D render. And choose here cinema for the render engine and click OK. Also we can change here render engine. So right now let's go to active camera and choose first custom view 1. And this view we can control extrusion dip. Select these all of them layers and go to search bar. Let's write here geometry and open geometry options. First open for red layer and change extrusion dip 100. Nice. And for shadow select this red and go to stroke and choose color dark red. Click OK. Again we can't see any shadows here. For fix this problem, go to stroke, change stroke with 1. Right now we can see shadow here. Okay, and let's select yellow center. Let's open geometry option and change extrusion dip 100. And in this time, let's change extrusion dip 300. Go to rotation tool and let's change rotation, hold X rotation tool and hold shift. Change rotation like this, 90 degree. Clisation tool, let's keep like this for now. And select main blue. Let's open geometry options and change extrusion depth 100. Okay, go to stroke. Let's choose blue and change color dark blue. Click OK and stroke width 1. Let's see it on solo. Okay, and select this main yellow. Let's open geometry option, change extrusion depth 100 and go to stroke, change stroke width 1 and color. Let's use eyedropper, choose color and change color to dark yellow. Click OK. Nice. And select main blue, change extrusion depth 110 and move the back like this. And press C for change view. Let's see backside. Okay, that's good. It works. So in this time, let's select this yellow center and change view to top and move to center like this. Back to custom view 1. Let's see. Okay, we can move it up a little bit like this. Nice. And let's click X for now, change view active camera, and let's create new camera tool. Right mouse, new and camera. And don't change any settings, I will use 50 millimeters. Click OK and press C. Let's change view. Okay, not bad. And let's add light on C for cartoon style. Right mouse, new and light. And we have 4 light type here. I will use ambient light style. And click OK. And let's open inside ambient light 1 and intensity. Let's change 110 for more light. Okay, and select background. Change color to black. Nice. Let's lock layer again. Select camera, let's hide for now. For add reflection, go to shape layers, hold this icon, choose rectangle tool. And let's create rectangle like this. Clickation tool, move it down and go to fill. Let's choose color and change to light blue. Click OK. And change the name reflection. And right now let's click toggle switch modes. And we can see alpha matte here. Let's matte link to main blue. And select main blue. Let's enable. Okay, select reflection. Go to stroke. Change stroke with 0. And change quality quarter. Right now we can move inside like this. And let's press R. Change rotation. And press T. Change opacity. We can create reflection animations. And select reflection. Let's open inside and contents, rectangle 1, Control D for duplicate and move it down, change scale. And for control all elements, create null object. Right mouse, new and null object. And let's hold control, double click pen behind icon for move the anchor point center, clickation tool and click toggle switch mode, click turn off 3D layer. And select all of them layers, link to null object, select null, press R, let's see. Nice. We can control all elements with null object. But let's change Y rotation 90 and we can move the center here, null object. For this, select layers, go to here, choose none for unlink. And select null. Let's change quality full and move to center for better axis. Again, select all of them layers, link to again null object. Select null and let's change rotation. Okay, this much more better. Change 0. And in this time, select camera, let's enable and select reflection. For fix this problem, let's first unlink this no matte and select reflection and main blue. Right mouse, go to pre-compose, add name blue. Click OK. And let's back to Magnify. select this blue. Let's move to behind of yellow center and click toggle switch mode and click checkbox for turn on 3D layer and go to solo. Okay, and select blue. Let's go to view 1 and move to front. Okay, and link to null object and open blue composition. Select reflection and go to track matte. Let's track matte main blue and enable main blue layer. Select reflection and move to the left and press P, create new path in keyframe, go to 1 second and move to down like this. And select keyframes, make it easy or click F9. Let's see. Okay, it works. So back to Magnify and let's see here, change quality quarter. Okay, that's good. And select this blue. Let's Ctrl D for duplicate, change name blue back and press C, change view for C backside and select blue back, move to back with Z axis. Okay, that's good. And press C, let's see. Okay, very nice. And in this time, let's back to active camera view and select null object. Let's delete and select these main yellow, blue, blue back, yellow center, red, and right mouse, pre-compose, add name Magnify 3D. Click OK. And back to main composition, select Magnify composition and click 3D icon and click this icon for C extrude. And right now we can control this with rotation like this, and for move to anchor point center again holds Control, double click pen behind icon, clickation tool and let's see. Okay, very nice. And press S, change scale, and press R, change rotation like this and move to center. And let's create animation, press P and move to down and make new path in keyframe and go to 10 keyframes. For shortcut you can press hold shift, press page down in keyboard. And let's move to up and go to 10 keyframes, move to down again 10 keyframes, move to up and again move to down. And select keyframes, make it easy or click F9. Let's see. Select keyframes, go to graph editor and let's zoom in here. Select middle keyframe, move to left and this moves right. Okay, back to keyframes and in this time hold shift, press R and let's see here, change rotation like this and create Y rotation keyframe. Go to here, change rotation like this and select keyframes, make it easy. Let's see. Nice. And let's play with keyframes. And here let's change this 50 and next keyframe 25 and next keyframe 35 and last keyframe 25 and let's see. Nice, very good. So let's prepare timing for reflection and in this time let's open blue and select reflection keyframe, move to the left and let's move to here and let's see next keyframe. Okay, and here let's move to left this reflection and next keyframe again move to down. Let's see here. Okay, very nice. For final, we can add shape elements. Let's go to Window, open Animation Composer 3, and Starter Precoms, Shape Elements, and let's try to use Particle Fireworks. Click Add, close Window, move to Behind of Compositions, and move to here, let's see. And press S, change scale. Okay, very nice, I like it. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.